Okay, Marcus taking 50 feet out of a 100-foot tree. Oh yeah. Marcus, this is the first time he's done something like this, so he's pretty nervous. Got the wind going our way. Oh, he's gonna... What's he doing? I showed him a little trick, which is fine, but it's gonna overcomplicate this cut. Okay, he's cutting both sides. He's made his face cut. He's cutting both sides just to be extra safe. And now he's going to start his back cut, I think. And now he's still playing with the side cut. Come on, Marcus! We're on standby. The rescue team's on standby. Chris here is certified in every aspect of first aid, at least on his video games. They teach you CPR in video games?
No, they should though.
Yeah, they should teach all that stuff. Learn something decent while you're there. Alright. Don't be hesitant. I told him that's the only thing that's dangerous if he gets kind of wimpy up there. Just cut it. He's looking for any excuse to just postpone what he's doing. Let's go. Let's go, man. You got it. The bark doesn't matter. That's gotta be smooth, man. Oh, he's gonna push it over. Ah.
Through the fence. Went over the fence.
Didn't even touch the fence.
Beautiful. You weren't nervous, were you? Well, if that's you a little nervous, I hate to see you a lot nervous. Okay, good job.